Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system, guys, which is an affiliate program created by Tabby D. This is sort of the checkout page that I'm on right now, guys. And I kind of wanted to show you, for people who aren't aware, I kind of wanted to show off some of the benefits of getting involved into this program, guys. So this is an affiliate program, which means you'll get paid commissions of $2.97 each and every time you refer someone and they purchase, guys. Um, and this program actually comes with some automation, right? So right here, you can actually get autopilot traffic daily. And how do you do that? It's actually through Tabby's traffic packages that she provides within her program, right? So through these packages, you can get lifelong traffic, guys. So this is high converting traffic, guide that she is getting for you because she is actually a Google Ads expert, guys. Which means she does all the heavy lifting for you, guys. She takes care of all the marketing, so you can simply sit back and actually get results. Now, I know what you're thinking. For some of you who are watching this, that might sound a little too good to be true, guys. And that's kind of what I thought at first, until I actually saw members, who were actually getting results, and close friends of mine who actually got me on this, guys, actually getting results through these packages. But keep in mind, you can also promote this organically as well, guys, if you choose to go that route. Um, this program actually is $2.97 as of right now, guys. It used to be $9.97, but there was a huge price cut. And if you're still unsure about it, there's a 365-day money back guarantee, guys. So at any point you are dissatisfied with the services that this program is providing, guys, 365-day money back guarantee. I want to keep it short and sweet today, guys. So that's going to be pretty much it. If you want to check out this page for yourself, guys, actually scroll down, and there's actually some more articles below. If you want to check out this page, guys, there's a link in the description as usual, right below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, just type below, guys, and I'll be here to answer them as soon as possible. All right. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. I hope all this information was helpful. See you all in the next video.